Okay, so we're going to do a review of the Bosch Series 8 WAW32450GB 9kg washing machine with 1600 revs per minute, which is a catchy name. Looking at it, looks great. Aesthetically really nice. A lot of chrome, a lot of white, nice and modern looking. A lot of really good features on it as well, and as you can tell, because it's running at the moment, it's also really quiet, which is one of the first things that we noticed about it and really liked. We'll go through a lot of the things in a moment properly, but a lot of good features with it, especially like, for example, obviously if you've got little ones as well, this huge sort of silver control here that looks really tempting. Once you've set it off running, I don't know if you can see that, I'll show you again in a moment, but once it's actually running, if you try and move that, it won't let it change. So even just like a simple child lock like that, which means that anything that they try and press won't work. You've also got another child lock if you press these two together. There we go, that's locked completely now. So even if the kids come and they want to press things and do stuff, it's not going to change anything, which is a great feature to have as well, especially if you've got kids at home. But like I said, really quiet, really good. We've had it for about a week now. I've got to say, I absolutely love it. It looks great, works great. Does everything you could want it to do. So yeah, like I said, we'll have a look through it. We'll go through some of the different functions that it does. But overall, yeah, absolutely brilliant. We're really happy with it. So just go through a few of the different options that we've got. So as soon as you come to it, turn it on, everything lights up, looks great. You've got quite a few different options. So you've got your cottons, easy care, both a pre-wash available, mixed load, your delicates, wool, I think it's like your sportswear, dirt wash. So quite a lot of different options. Obviously just like to just move this around so you can see it. Pick the one that you want, so we'll go for the mixed load, and then onto the next screen at the side you've got your Eco Perfect, Speed Perfect, your different temperature settings, which brings it up on there. You've got your Aqua Plus and your reduced ironing, so we'll have that on there. You've got your spin speed that you can choose as well. So on this program you've got 1200, 800, 600 or 400. And then you've got just here the amount of time that it's going to take before it's completed. And then obviously just your big play button, press play, and away you go. One thing that this washing machine does do every time that you go inside, on the drawer, it all lights up. You get a nice light on so that when you set everything off, you can literally watch all the water pour in, which I'll be honest with you is something that up until getting this machine was something I didn't even know I needed in my life, but look at it, looks great. That little bit where it was just rolling side to side, that's where it's checking the weight to make sure it's all distributed evenly and yeah, stuff like that, but it's there we go, away it goes. So